Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Hungry Girl Eats. Sorry a little bit for the setup, but it is really hot in here, and I've been working on trying to set some proper place to film. Anyway, on my way out to get my dinner, I stopped at T-Mobile and said, hey, I've been told, I'm not filming right. Can I set the settings? So, I set the settings, and people still telling me like, hey, it ain't working right. You're not gonna get that many views if you're not filming right. So I went to T-Mobile and I said, what do I gotta do? I said, I'm trying to create a little channel, and he says, you gotta turn it sideways. I go, what? So this is me trying sideways. I hope it works out. Please let me know in the comments. So again, my channel is Hungry Girl Eats. I am May. I might go by Grandma May. I haven't decided yet because I am a grandmother, but I'm at home, so but anyway, I did go to Subway today. I have a lot of food, but I don't know if I'm gonna eat it all. This is a steak Chipotle wrap, and this is a 12-inch tuna sandwich, and right next door was Dunkin' Donuts. So I'm gonna go with the steak wrap first. See if I like it. I got everything on it, whatever comes with it. And of course, I got some chips. Of course, I'm sweating like a pig. So, I'm originally from California, Bay Area to be exact. I now live in New York. So the weather is like a lot more different than what I'm used to. Winters is snow, which I'm still not used to. And the summers is like, see, it's sticky, sticky. So it's something. I'm trying to learn. It's pretty good. I probably will not get it again. I don't know. Try it. So anyway, I've been watching all kinds of clips, see what I can do, how I can make stuff better, what I can make do with what I got to, And this is just your basic caramel iced coffee. Sorry. So I noticed that YouTube has a lot of food challenges, or some I don't know if I can do or not, but too bad they didn't have like a certain set of newbie challenges. Like if you're new to YouTube, do like a certain challenge. I don't even know if that's a good idea or not, but I thought it was. Mm. Maybe I should got the spinach wrap because I think this is tomato. I don't know, but the spinach one now. I really love vegetables. It's like half of my sandwich or whatever I get ends up being whatever it is originally, and the rest is like a salad on top. I get everything. So I'd love to open up to you guys more, say a little more about myself, but I feel like for right now I need to focus on trying to give you guys the best quality that I can. And I don't mind any critiques, I don't mind any advice, suggestions. I'll take it. But like I said before, I'm gonna keep my videos short because until I learn, you know, how to do this properly, I don't want to bother nobody. I mean, I want to get out there, but I don't want to be like this dead space. But I have learned enough that if you like my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and please leave a comment and share. Anyway, I'm going to cut it off for here right now. I hope you enjoyed my video. Again, this was from Subway, and that was Dunkin' Donuts. And thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.